Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to send message to a person on LinkedIn. So let's start. First, open the LinkedIn app. When the app is open, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and then search for the person you want to send a message and then go to their profile. Now on that person's profile you will see the option message. Now tap on message and then type in your message. When you are done, tap on the blue arrow icon on the right hand side to send your message. And your message will be sent. Now go back to the home screen. On the home screen, you will see a text icon on the top right corner. Tap on that. And you will see all of your messages here. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.